What's up, everybody? Been here for a few minutes already, and got a sweet little boat anchor, some rebar, some other stuff, and see see what we can find on this nice day. Been to this bridge before, but never with the Eldorado magnet. So let's see what we find. Going right here. I would like to look under the bridge too, but it's harder with this one. That bridge is so close to the water. Found a few square nails here today, and some fishing lures, some flat metal. Looks like an old sign. Piece of rebar. Oh, we got something here. It's a computer, huh? Oh my goodness. What are you people doing? 500 gigabyte hard drive. Who is dumping their hard drive in the river? Up to no good. People that are up to no good. Looks like we got a couple fishing lures too. This is real close by to where I found the other full box computer. I wonder if this has anything to do with that. Oh, there's hard drives in the river. No, I think we just got the mud. Oh, maybe. Just fishing bait taxes, boxes and lids. Okay, let's go out. That way and come back this way. There's something still stuck on there. It's sheet metal, bottle cap, and a whole bunch of nails. Alright. Let's try that drop and drag again. The eagle distracted me. Well, it's not empty. Let's say that. Wow, we even got some glass tied up in there. First time that's happened. So much metal got pulled up, it pulled up a piece of glass with it. Don't see any square nails in that one. Try close by here. Looks like we got a square washer. Oh, we got a CO2 canister and a steel square plate. Oh, didn't want to come off. Some barbed wire. That's a small, heavy stuff. Good for the scrapyard. Definitely grateful to be out here. It was 5 inches of snow out here last week. Some fishing lures. Oh, that's a square nail. All right. I like that. Little fishing lures. Good fishing lures, too. Still usable. Not sure what these are. These strips. We got some fishing lures. Chunks of something metal down there. Not sure what it is. See if we can find out. Let's get this stuff off here. Always good. If you're gonna go magnet fishing, please take all your stuff with you. Gives us a bad name when you leave the bridge covered in metal. It's always good practice. Felt a lot of stuff on there again. Oh, somebody's vape batteries. Okay. 18650 batteries. That's good to get out of the river. Fishing hooks, nails, more nuts and washers. Those batteries are good to get out of the water though. Those don't need to be in there. So I better give it one last shot underneath the bridge. See what this is. Not sure what that is. Fishing hooks and wire and nails. Let's see if anybody lost anything underneath here. Definitely got a lot that time. Oh, a little fishing reel from an ice fishing rig. That's getting me closer. Person that I know that lost the shotgun here was ice fishing. Lots of nails. I better try one more time over there. That ice fishing pole has me hopeful. Gotta get it back in that same spot though. Yeah. Oh, geez, whatever that is. going on?
Get anything cool yet?
Nothing crazy today.
Oh, dang.
Just up the street, I found a full 22 rifle.
Oh, dang. That's cool.
Yeah. Wire, fishing hooks, no square nails. Still lots of metal in here. I wonder if I can find that big thing that was here. Oh yeah, there we go. Got a pair of needle nose pliers. More tools to add to the bucket list. Looks like more nails, fishing line, fishing hooks. Basic stuff. Try to do more close throws close up. Oh, got our first knife of the year. Looks like just a kitchen blade, but man, been down there a minute. Big old 10-inch kitchen knife. Huh. Yeah. So I do need to make a couple throws close up. Kitchen knife action. Ooh. I found a big old square nail that is like corroded in half. That's cool. Well, let's go see if we can find anything on the other side. Oh, I like this side. A foothold for me. Oh, feels like it's barely holding on. Oh, it's another road sign. Okay. I got a light box and a road sign. Alright. We got these yellow boxes that they had batteries in for caution lights, and then the road sign. Huh. Well, that's good to have out of the river. Lots of fishing lures. Lots of fishing lures. I don't want to go back to that spot. I feel like I got something already. Flat metal. Okay. Didn't catch anything underneath the bridge. There you go. Oh, maybe not. Jeez. Had a pretty good day today. Found a couple of tools. If anybody recognizes this, it's got the hanger on the side. It looks like an old phone almost. But yeah, if anybody knows what it is. A couple things on there. Lobster, spark plug. Some sort of tank. Oh, looks like we got a log splitter. Wedge. Nice. Those are pretty sweet. Good weight. Log splitter wedge. Oh. It's like a handle. Huh. Looks like we got some baling twine. The end of